Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese currency index. Now, for the last week, the previous week, prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum after a bearish trend. In most cases, that indicates that the bulls are trying to take over. Currently, we can see the bulls this week didn't really give us that much of a pump, and we are waiting for the confirmation before we take any trades, obviously. Now, I am still bullish biased. However, it's a bit more complicated than that right now. So we just have to follow price action. Obviously, we don't have to do anything. We just have to follow price action. That's what good traders do. So with JPYX, should prices be breaking above here, we will be looking for this quick trade until somewhere here. And then from there, should prices break above here. And I'm taking all these precautions because the dollar to our final target, which was somewhere here. Now, the dollar is actually kind of bullish right now, and JPYX and DXY are obviously always inversely correlated. So we can't have the dollar and JPYX push in the same direction. It happens on rare occasions, but I don't like it that way. And because it's never meant to be that way, most of the times the trades that you take during these positive correlations of the dollar and JPYX, one of them ends up being stopped out as one of the trades or one of the indices always reverse and goes the opposite direction. So I hate it that way. That's why I'm saying there's a little bit of complications, but we do follow what price is doing. So should prices break above here, we will be looking for a retest and a continuation. And should prices break above here, retest and continuation. Simple and easy, clean. But I won't really be focusing on JPYX. I'll be focusing more on the DXY for this coming week. So I'm not going to be discussing the JPYX pairs. If you want me to show you what I'm looking for on the JPYX pairs, join our free Telegram that's linked in the description. You'll be sure to get notified whenever we see any trading opportunities or any potential setups that are actually forming. But what I'll be focusing on this coming week is DXY. The DXY has already broken above this structure. With the elections up, they positively impacted the dollar. So you can see here the dollar closed above this structure. On Friday, prices closed with an inside structure, an inside candle above this structure. And if you look at it from a 4-hour perspective, you can actually see what's really going on. Let me zoom in. You can actually see prices had this support. These were the new highs. Prices broke above that, came back here, gave us a retest, and you can see the momentum is now kicking in back again. So with DXY, I'm anticipating to see this to be a bullish week for the DXY and prices to keep on pumping until they reach somewhere here. That's the target I'm aiming for. And we do understand that this coming week we do have CPI, which will obviously be impacting the dollar. So we're going to see how that plays out. Obviously, I don't advise trading fundamentals, but there is no buts. But if you do take a trade, always manage your risk. So with DXY, that's what I'm anticipating to see, a bullish continuation until prices hit these highs right here. So how is this going to play out in the pairs? With USD JPY, you can see last week on Friday, prices closed with kind of a doji, indicating a lack of momentum. So I'll be anticipating to see a bullish continuation. Euro USD, see prices closed with the bearish engulfing. I'll be anticipating a bearish continuation, obviously, because this is inversely correlated to the dollar. GU, same thing. Prices already broke below this structure here. I'll be anticipating a continuation until prices hit that. And finally, gold. You can see here how prices are playing out. I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a move like that. But with gold, again, anyways, this is my view. So with gold, let's look at it on the lower time frames. You can see how it's aligning. Let's look at it on an even lower time frame. So you can see with gold, what I'm really hoping to see, or what I'm anticipating where the entries will be. I don't really trade gold. That's why I'm actually giving you this, so that you can actually look for entries yourself. So I'm waiting for prices to break below here, a retest, and then you take a trade all the way down here. That's what you want to look for. If you don't get that, should prices break above here, look for that retest and swing or day trade until prices hit that. So that's what you want to look for in gold. That's what you want to trade. So with that being said, guys, I hope we have a great trading week. I know we're going to have a great trading week. By the way, by the time I'm uploading this video, obviously the offer will be still there for the VIP 30% off. If you're watching this, check me in my Telegram, because this last weekend is the last weekend I'm actually having this offer. From next week, we will be taking intakes for training only, training and mentorships. So if you're interested in the signals, this is the last offer of the year. Be sure to check me in my Telegram so that you won't miss out on the offer. Till next time, guys, let's have a killer trading week. Cheers.